Welcome back. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be trying this eyeliner stamp and pen for the first time. I've never used this product before, and I'm going to be doing it on the camera to show you how I'm going to be achieving this.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be.
So the company that I'm going to be using their product today, they are called Imethod. They are on Instagram. Also, you can find their products on Amazon. They are not only into eyeliner, stamp and pen. They do have other products on their website and on their page on Amazon. They have eyebrow stamp, they have eyebrow gel, they have lip plumber if you want your lips to be bigger. They have liquid eyeliner, they have gel pencil, you know, all those other beauty related stuff that you can use on your brow and your eye. They have it on their website. But today I'm going to be working with this particular one, which I received from them. So I have makeup on right now. I just finished another video, so what a great opportunity for me to try this particular one that I received. It's called liquid eyeliner and eyeliner stamp by Imethod. It's waterproof eye makeup, it's eyeliner and wing eyeliner stamp, perfect cat eye in seconds, long lasting. That it's gonna last, it's waterproof. That's what all that meant. You're supposed to be able to achieve this under, you know, few seconds, that you're good to go. So if you're the type that you don't know how to do your eyeliner, don't know how to do it, this is recommended. This will be a beginner friendly. They have all of their social media, they have their Instagram, they have their Imethod on Messenger. Also they have, of course, they have their customer care service on email on it. So they are on Instagram. You can find them on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook. They're on YouTube, Pinterest and Twitter. So they are all around that. This is 10mm. All right, ladies, so after I brought out the two items I have in the product in the package, the first one is the stamp eyeliner, which is this one, eyeliner stamp. They have one hand here and one hand here, and they already indicated which one is for the left, which one is for the right, in order for you to have the perfect wing. This is stamp, line and go. If you're not good with your eyeliner, this is what you want to try. This is my first time trying it too. I'm not claiming I'm a pro, but if you know you want to learn, or you don't know how to do your own eyeliner to have the perfect one all the time, I would recommend you try this one out. We're about to do it together also. And at the same time, I want to really make sure I emphasize on this, that this is waterproof, is sweat proof, smudge proof, 24-hour lasting. So whatever you're going to go through the day, this will stay in place according to what they say. All right, stamp, line and go. So we're going to start with the right. This is the right side, this is my right side. So I'm going to go ahead, let me zoom in. Now I've zoomed in. We're going to go ahead and do it. That I stamped. I'm going to cover it so it can retain the moist the liquid. Then this is the pen. You just connect. Because I already have mascara on, lashes on rather, it's a little bit difficult, but I'll get it right there. See how perfect that is.
Wavy. Oh no no.
So here you all have seen it. I zoomed in for you to see how it works. A stamp, line and go for real. This is magical. Like, if you don't know how to do your own liner, I would recommend you check this out. For those of us that are struggling with doing it, just stamp, line and go. It's so easy. like under how many seconds, you're good to go, especially when you already have your makeup on. But I would not recommend that you put this on before you put your lashes on. These are extensions that I had on before I went on my vacation, and they are still there, so I'm not going to force them. I'm just going to let them stay there until they start falling out. So I would recommend you use this product by Imethod before you put your lashes on, so that you can be able to see the line and it will be very, very smooth. I'll put their information on the description box. Please check them out, and they are very, very affordable. They are not only into eyeliner stamp, there are other things that you can purchase from them on their website. I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thought about this video in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.